In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on AI mode in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Chrome's experimental AI features and how to enable them with confidence using the built-in Chrome Labs panel. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular Chrome window, not incognito, so everything you see matches what I'm describing. AI mode lives inside Chrome Labs, which is Google's space for trying out features that are still in development. These experiments can change over time, so your screen might look slightly different, but the flow will be the same. Look toward the top right corner of Chrome's toolbar. You're looking for the Chrome Labs icon. It resembles a small beaker or flask and typically sits near the extensions puzzle icon and your profile picture. The beaker is your shortcut to experimental options. If you don't see it, that can simply mean the feature isn't available in your region or on your specific build yet, or that your browser is managed by an organization that restricts experiments. Click the beaker to open the Chrome Labs panel. This panel organizes experiments into clear sections, making it easy to browse. Take a moment to scan what's available so you're familiar with the layout. You'll notice brief descriptions under each experiment explaining what it does and any important notes from Google. Now find the area labeled AI Experiments. This is where Google groups the AI-related options that can enhance your browsing with machine learning features. The wording might vary slightly, but look for a heading or card that mentions AI or artificial intelligence. Reading the short description here can be helpful, as it outlines what enabling AI mode will do and any limitations you should be aware of. When you're ready, select the option to turn it on. You'll see a clear control to enable AI mode, typically a toggle or a turn-on button. Once activated, Chrome will recognize that you've opted into these AI experiments. In some cases, you might notice a brief message about how the feature works or what to expect. That's normal and is there to set proper expectations. That's all it takes. You opened Chrome, accessed the Chrome Labs beaker, located the AI experiments section, and turned it on. If you ever want to review what's enabled, just return to the beaker icon and check the same section. Enjoy exploring what Chrome's AI experiments can do for you, and remember that these features may evolve as Google refines them.